Okay, first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video, Terry. Again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video was to show you how you could increase the value of your company or expose yourself some more on Google, generating more traffic and leads and sales. You typically need three factors. There's three things that you need: content, backlinks, and citations for your website. Now, understand every time you type something in here to Google, you're actually typing in keywords, and Google uses those words to find websites that best fit your search for the words that you're typing in. Search engine optimization. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keywords that get typed in the search, and then Google categorizes those websites based on their content. This is how you establish the rank factor. Now you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. Now I typed in plumbers Fuquay Varina. I know you don't have a site, but I figured I'll just walk you through a few things. Also, I know that you did say that you're having a hard time finding people to work for you. If you wanted to, you could run some ads for that, um, and maybe that could be more successful if you were running some Google ads for that. We know that this is the map section. It's called the map pack. Right here, the ranking structure is based off of your Google business profile and citations. Citations or referring domains is anything with your name, address, and phone number directly reflecting your Google business profile and the area that you want to cover within a search. So if people are searching plumbers near me and they're in Fuquay, and you have your Google business profile set up for a certain area of coverage with the right citations, you will you rank in the maps, and that will generate a lot of exposure for you. A lot of people don't go past the first page of Google, so it's important to be seen as much as you can. Citations include, Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. Anything underneath the map is considered an organic rank, and you organically rank through content and backlinks. Now, obviously, Angie is an advertisement with a pathway that is not an organically ranked. Neither is Yelp, Better Business. I wanted to come down here and show you this particular company, Allborough Plumbing and Sewer. He has no pathway, no extensions. This is his company, his website, his account, and he's organically here through his content and his backlinks. Now to show you how that works, we have his site, and then I have a tool called Ahrefs, and Ahrefs lets me see what's going on behind the scenes. We see that he has 26 backlinks. A backlink is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another site. Google uses that to build trust. And then there's 10 referring domains connected from that. He also has 29 keywords, and he's getting about 29 views a month of traffic. Now, understand when it comes to keywords, keywords are what you're typing into Google when you're searching for something or somebody's looking for a particular service. And how many times per month these keywords get searched is listed here. Allborough Plumbing is 50. So we'll use plumber Fuquay Varina, North Carolina, 200 times. Plumber Fuquay Varina, 100. Plumbers Fuquay Varina, 200. And the list goes on. I'm sure that you can see, once you stack all these numbers together, that is a great deal of exposure that will come to your website when you have the right content and the keywords in there, and you are recognized by Google through the searches that people are typing into the search block for Google. Also, with that being said, one more thing, not all backlinks are created equal. You do not want a backlink necessarily from a pizza or an ice cream place down the road from your business linking back to you. It won't carry as much weight as another plumbing facility linking back to you. There's power within that. You want a strong domain rank, and you want plenty of traffic coming through the sites. All these things are obtainable. So for example, he's got 26 backlinks, you want 75. He's got 10 domains, you want 40. He's got 29 keywords, you want 120. The more you have, the more Google will see, the more you become trusted and an authority of your business, the more Google will recognize you and move you up the rank structure. Many companies can build websites, but some of them will fall short with content and SEO, and then you won't get recognized. And you'll think, well, I got a website. Why isn't business picking up? It'd be the same thing as having a business card on a desert island. If it's not built right and if it's not put together, it won't be seen. So when your content and your backlinks and your citations and your Google business come together with your area of service, you'll start to be seen as an authority again. You'll start to increase the value and expose your business to the people that are searching for you through the keywords and the content that's on there. And you will start to outrank. You'll start to generate more traffic and create more sales. Also, running ads if you wanted to for looking for help and hiring employees. Google's a great way to do that as well. I just wanted to take the time and kind of put this out there for you and show you what's going on. Hopefully you can appreciate or understand a little bit better how a website is built and what goes behind it when you want to get to the first page of Google and how people are getting this exposure and how beneficial a website can be for you. If you had any questions or concerns and wanted to reach out, that was fine. I really appreciate your time and have a nice night.